Esoteric Ricky Morrow, Infinity the Murderous Staff, The Fleet. Yeah. Lyrical assassin, slay the madmen thrashing, Wakizashi slashing, Genji dashing, your broad I'm smashing, rocking a magnum, hit you with a Tray 57 magnum, lyrical harassment, leave your head bashing. Then I move with vigor, with passion and compassion, trying to acquire mills in the safe, reaping all my ops. When I hit them, then watch me wraith, embrace in a dark place for success non-stop. Shit, fuck your body goes to waste. Niggas will clap you, will hit you with a magazine, sprayed you in your fucking face like Lysol, constricting beats like a python. Jake the Snake, DDT these beats, ballads of esoterics in the streets. In my lens, you can't comprehend my pen filled with acid, my ink making your soul sink. My rhymes is so distinct, adapt and dodge in these traps, leave my enemies clap. Game over, the end, it's a wrap. Yeah.